Patent drafting. Complete specification with an example.
Example for drafting complete specification of a patent. Draft a patent specification for a self-cleaning water bottle that is capable of cleaning itself automatically when filled with water, using ultraviolet, UV, light and a self-cleaning mechanism. The water bottle must be made of durable and lightweight material, with an airtight lid and a filter to remove impurities. The self-cleaning mechanism must be activated by a button on the lid of the bottle and must be able to clean the inside of the bottle thoroughly within 60 seconds. Title of the invention: Self-cleaning water bottle. Applicants: name, nationality and address of each of the applicants for patent. Preamble to the description. The following specification particularly describes the invention and the manner in which it is to be performed. Field of invention. This invention relates to a self-cleaning water bottle that is capable of cleaning itself automatically when filled with water, using ultraviolet, UV, light and a self-cleaning mechanism. The water bottle is made of durable and lightweight material, with an airtight lid and a filter to remove impurities. The self-cleaning mechanism is activated by a button on the lid of the bottle and is suitable for use in various applications, including but not limited to outdoor activities, travel, and daily use. Prior art and problem to be solved. Current water bottles require manual cleaning, which can be inconvenient and time-consuming, especially when on the go. In addition, some water bottles may harbor harmful bacteria that can cause illness. The invention aims to address these problems by providing a self-cleaning water bottle that automatically cleans itself and eliminates harmful bacteria. Objects of invention. The principal object of this invention is to provide a self-cleaning water bottle that is convenient and easy to use. Another object of this invention is to provide a water bottle that eliminates harmful bacteria and impurities. A further object of this invention is to provide a durable and lightweight water bottle that is suitable for various applications. Summary of invention. The self-cleaning water bottle is a unique and innovative invention that provides a solution to the problem of manual cleaning. The water bottle features a self-cleaning mechanism that is activated by a button on the lid of the bottle. The mechanism uses UV light and a cleaning solution to eliminate harmful bacteria and impurities. The water bottle is made of durable and lightweight material, with an airtight lid and a filter to remove impurities. Brief description of drawings. Figure 1, front view of the self-cleaning water bottle. Figure 2, side view of the self-cleaning water bottle. Detailed description of invention. The self-cleaning water bottle is a durable and lightweight bottle made of high-quality plastic or other suitable materials. The bottle has a capacity of 500 milliliters and is designed for ease of use and convenience. The bottle features an airtight lid that keeps the water inside fresh and free from contaminants. The lid has a button that activates the self-cleaning mechanism, which is located in the bottle. The self-cleaning mechanism consists of a UVC light and a cleaning solution that work together to eliminate harmful bacteria and impurities. The mechanism is powered by a battery, which is rechargeable using a USB cable. When the button on the lid is pressed, the self-cleaning mechanism is activated, and the UVC light and cleaning solution work together to clean the water in the bottle. The mechanism runs for 3 minutes, after which the cleaning process is complete, and the water is safe to drink. The self-cleaning water bottle also features a filter that removes impurities and ensures that the water is pure and fresh. The filter is located at the bottom of the bottle and is easily replaceable. The filter should be replaced every 6 months for optimal performance. Best method. The best method of performing the invention involves the following steps. Selecting a suitable material for the bottle that is both durable and lightweight. Designing the bottle with an airtight lid that can be easily opened and closed. Incorporating a filter into the bottle to remove impurities from the water. Integrating a self-cleaning mechanism into the bottle that uses UV light and is activated by a button on the lid. Testing the self-cleaning mechanism to ensure that it thoroughly cleans the inside of the bottle within 60 seconds. Claims. I claim 1. A self-cleaning water bottle comprising a durable and lightweight material, an airtight lid, a filter to remove impurities from the water, and a self-cleaning mechanism that uses UV light and is activated by a button on the lid, wherein the self-cleaning mechanism is capable of cleaning the inside of the bottle thoroughly within 60 seconds. 2. The self-cleaning water bottle of Claim 1, wherein the durable and lightweight material comprises plastic. 3. The self-cleaning water bottle of Claim 1, wherein the airtight lid comprises a silicone seal. 4. The self-cleaning water bottle of Claim 1, wherein the filter is replaceable. 5. The self-cleaning water bottle of Claim 1, wherein the self-cleaning mechanism comprises a UVC LED, ultraviolet C light-emitting diode. 6. The self-cleaning water bottle of Claim 1, wherein the self-cleaning mechanism is powered by a rechargeable battery. Date and signature at the end of the last page of specification. Abstract. The present invention is a self-cleaning water bottle that uses UV light and a self-cleaning mechanism to clean itself automatically when filled with water. The bottle is made of durable and lightweight plastic material, with an airtight lid that incorporates a silicone seal and a filter to remove impurities from the water. The self-cleaning mechanism is activated by a button on the lid and uses a UVC LED to clean the inside of the bottle thoroughly within 60 seconds. The invention provides a convenient and effective way to maintain clean and healthy drinking water on the go. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, please share it with your friends or relevant groups preparing for the patent agent examination. Consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon for new video notifications, so you never miss out on our latest content and updates. We appreciate your feedback in the comments section and a thumbs up on this video. Your support inspires us to create more informative content. Check out our IPR and Patent Agent Examination Guidance playlist for more resources. Thank you for your support.